Yeah, what's up guys? Good morning. Ito na nga, linggo ngayon pero may pasok po tayo ngayon. Yan, medyo mahamog na. Lamig. Salukuyan nga tayo naglalakad dito sa Calzada. Ito pala yung papasukan ko. Yan. So, kailangan ko pang pumunta dun sa may gate. Dun kasi ako mag-swipe ng aking para sa entrance sa in. Ayan, kahapon, rest day, Sabado. Wala talaga ditong pasok pag Sabado. Ang start nila ng pasok ay Sunday. Sa atin sa Pinas, ang start ng pasok is Monday. Sa kanila is Sunday. So, rest day ko dapat ngayon. Kaso, may pasok ako. Mas magandang balita yan kasi rest day is equivalent to holiday. So, sabi ko kasi, if possible to having a work during my rest day, it's okay for me because it's more time having a work. It's more money for us. So one local said, okay, I told the boss if I said to him it is okay, so I will tell you. And then bago kami umuwi nung Biyernes, sabi niya, my friend, it's official, you having work on Sunday, you are working with me. So kaming dalawa ngayon yung partner, yung lokal na tiga-check. Kasi alas 9 yung start ng pasok niya, so alas 9 rin ako. So sabi niya, I want to help you because you are here to check for the money. Sabi ko, yes my friend, that's the reason why I am here in abroad, to work for the money. Okay my friend, I will help you as long as I can. Sabi ko, napakabait na lokal. Kaya swerte ko, kasama ko siya ngayon. Dapat talaga wala kang pasok. So andito na ako sa may entrance. Hanggang dito na muna, bye bye.